Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to customize your ClickUp dashboards with interactive widgets, your guide for 2025. Now, the first step to customizing your dashboard is to navigate to the Dashboard section of your ClickUp app. This is where all the magic happens, where you create a space that's personalized and caters to your workflow needs. Next up, you'll want to click on the Add Widget button. This step is crucial as it opens up a library of widgets that you can choose from. From task lists to timelines, there's a widget for every need. The reason we do this is to select the widgets that align best with our tasks and goals. Once you've clicked on Add Widget, you'll be able to view the available widgets. Now the fun part begins. You can start dragging and dropping these widgets onto your dashboard. This helps us because we can start designing the layout that best suits our workflow. Let me explain why this matters. A well-organized dashboard can significantly boost your productivity and keep your tasks well managed. Now that we've done that, it's time to interact with these widgets. Click on a widget and you'll see different customization options. You can change the color, size, and even the data the widget displays. This is a vital step as it allows us to personalize our dashboard to reflect our priority tasks and key performance indicators. Once you're satisfied, click on Save Layout. This preserves your customized dashboard for future reference. The reason we do this is to ensure that every time you log in, your personalized dashboard is ready to assist you. And there you have it, a customized ClickUp dashboard designed with interactive widgets to streamline your workflow. Remember, a well-organized workspace is a key to efficiency and productivity. So go ahead and start customizing your ClickUp dashboard and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.